Hi everyone. I'm at a beach in Key Largo. It's a pretty rocky beach. When you lay on the rocks, it's not very comfortable. And that's what reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance and our equipment. Because if you don't properly nurture your equipment, it can be like laying on rocks. One of the great strengths of reliability-centered maintenance is that it helps us to figure out exactly what we have to do to take care of our equipment. To manage particular failure modes, it helps us to decide, should we be doing a preventive maintenance task? Do we need to do a condition-based maintenance task? Maybe we need to have some sort of a redesign for our equipment, or maybe we need a modification to an operating procedure. See, when you do reliability-centered maintenance, the outcome is not only a proactive maintenance plan, but other actions that need to be taken to get the reliability that we need. As responsible custodians, it's up to us to proactively figure out what actions we have to take to make sure we get exactly what we need from our equipment. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.